Let's be honest, you probably clicked on this video because you simply get no girls. I hate to say it, but what if I told you you could get any girl that you want, the most beautiful women in the world, and you don't even have to be the greatest looking guy in the room. You don't even have to make the most money. See, when I was younger, in my early 20s, I could not get a girl to save my life. I was afraid of rejection. I felt like I was ugly. I had hella acne, so I was not confident within myself. See, the first thing that women are drawn to is confidence. Girls don't like guys that aren't confident. You have to know how to take charge and know what you want. See, let's say you're just a guy that's just not confident with himself. Why aren't you confident? Have you practiced on your confidence? How does one practice? When you go to the grocery store, when you go to the mall, when you go out to the club, bar, wherever, start striking conversations with women. Doesn't matter if they're 10, 8, 5, just build that habit and try to perfect your confidence in just talking to multiple women. See, there's a lot of guys watching right now that are probably really shy and you're afraid of rejection. We're all shy. I was shy. See, that's what I started doing. Don't even worry about trying to hit on women. Just have conversations. It doesn't have to be perfect. And women love to talk about themselves. In general, we all love to talk about ourselves. So if you can make a girl talk about herself, that's a win, that's a dub. So that's what I want you to do. This is what I did when I was a lot younger. Every time I go out, I'll have real human to human interaction. Enough with that social media stuff. Real human to human interaction will develop that confidence. Every time I went to the mall or the grocery store or wherever, I see a girl, it doesn't even have to be a girl that I like. It doesn't even have to be a girl that I'm fully attracted to. Just go strike a conversation and then you kind of just get really good at it. So that way, when there's a girl that you really are attracted to, you'll know exactly how to handle it. You may be nervous, but you'll have so much experience under your belt that you will get the job done. You feel me? Now you tell me, if I came up to you like this, body language, all scared, shy, if I ask you for your phone number in a very scared tone, hey, can I have your number? Versus somebody else that has his head up, he's relaxed, hey, can I have your number? You see the difference? It's from the way that you speak, the way that you carry yourself, the body language. Have that confidence, build it up. And the only way you're gonna fix that is having real human to human interaction and actually practicing talking to many different girls. Just talking, developing that social skill. Women love confident men. And the reason why I know this is because I still had acne and I developed my confidence and I was still able to get beautiful girls' phone numbers, take them out on dates, etc., etc. You know what I mean? So I'm just saying, look, number 2, women don't like men who play the victim role. Don't be the victim. Complaining about others instead of blaming yourself. Talking crap about other people. One that talks badly about others, it's because of what's going on in their own life. You have to get that negative energy out your life. You got to put yourself in a higher vibration. You got to lead by example. You got to be clear in the mind, clear in the heart. You got to be pure. You'll start attracting real, genuine girls because you're a genuine person. You don't need negative vibrations in your life. So stop complaining, stop talking about other people, focus on positivity and speak highly about others. By the way, guys, we are starting a community where aspiring entrepreneurs can learn from successful entrepreneurs. We have live calls religiously, guest speakers. This is a community where we can all talk to each other, learn from each other. You might find your next career opportunity here. It's only $9.99 if you want to grow and level up your life. This is something you might want to consider. Click that link in the description below. Now, number 3, women don't like men that aren't leaders. You have to learn how to become a leader because someday you're going to be a father. Someday you're going to be a husband. You have to lead the household. You got to support your family. If you're out here trying to ask a girl on a date and you don't even know where you want to go eat, the first simple thing, you don't even know where you want to take her, and you're asking her, hey, where do you want to go eat? Hey, what do you want? Hey, you pick. No, you pick where you want to go eat. You take her, you pick her up. You have to be in charge. You have to lead. You have to be confident. And women are drawn to that. They are attracted to a leader. You gotta own it. You gotta not be afraid to lead and be alpha, but also be respectful and polite. Number 4, women don't like unhealthy men. They are not attracted to that. If you're overweight, lazy, not taking care of your health, your physical, your mental, your spiritual, women are attracted to men who are disciplined, takes care of their body. Going to the gym is important. If you don't go to the gym, you don't have to lift weights necessarily. Just be active. Take care of your physical health. It shows discipline on your end. It shows character. It shows integrity that you care about your physical. Also, eating right. Drinking every weekend isn't the way to take care of yourself. Smoking weed, doing drugs, eating fast food every day. No. Start eating healthier, okay? Like, you're a leader. At the end of the day, you're a man. You want to lead by example. Take care of yourself. Take care of your spiritual. Take care of your mental. The more you work out, the better it is to reduce stress, anxiety. And it honestly just shows that you love yourself. And if you love yourself and you take care of yourself and you're healthy, women are drawn to that. They like that because they know you're confident. They know that you're a leader and they know that you're healthy. Mind, body, spirit. Now the last one is important. Women aren't attracted to men that don't look good. And what I mean by that, we can talk about hygiene and appearance. Right now, if you look at yourself in the mirror, you can clean yourself up. You can look 5 times better. Now we can't, as men, we can't change our height, right? But we could go to the gym and work out and look a lot better. So that's one thing. Another thing, you can get a nicer haircut. You can fix and shape your eyebrows. Yes, you can. You can trim your beard. You can look 5 times better than you used to. So already that's a plus. Women like that. You're taking care of yourself. Next thing, fashion. Learn how to dress a little better. If you don't look good, you don't play good. Watch some videos on fashion, man. Watch some videos on how to dress. You got big biceps, wear a little tighter shirt. Compliment your physique. Women are attracted to men that can dress. I didn't really get into switching up my style till I was like 25. Mid-20s, and I used to just wear like basic clothes. And I feel like fashion goes a long way because it says a lot about yourself. And it doesn't even mean you have to buy the most expensive designer clothing or the Rolexes, okay? Even though it would be nice, but just wear some nice clothes that represent you. And women take notice. They can look at a guy and see how well dressed he is, and he could be a 3 on the face. And just because he's confident and he dresses well and he knows how to talk, he can pull any girl that he wants. I also gotta add, make sure your hygiene's on point. Taking a shower, you're putting deodorant on, get yourself a nice cologne. Women love men that smell good. If you can complete those things, these are all things that I've done. Work on your confidence. Don't talk about other people. Don't complain about others or other things. Speak positive thoughts about your life. Be a positive human being, have a higher vibration. Don't play the victim role. Be a leader. Be healthy. Eat right. Take care of your body, your physique, your mind, body, spirit. And most importantly, dress well, smell good, and take care of like your facial hair and your eyebrows and all that. If you could do that, you'll be able to get any girl that you want. It doesn't matter how you look right now. You can make it happen. Hey, love you guys so much. Like the video, subscribe if you're new. Make sure you hit that bell, turn notifications on. Remember, if you want to join the community we are building, we have aspiring entrepreneurs learning from successful entrepreneurs, where you can talk to each other, learn from each other. We have live calls religiously. Click that link in the description below. Life isn't promised. Tomorrow doesn't exist. Yesterday doesn't exist. It's now time. Let's go. No hezzy.
Look what you had done. Playing with my feelings got me thinking you the one. I swear you're doing all of this just to have some fun. When I saw those red flags, should've did that and just run. Yeah, look what you have done. Breaking girls' hearts down, look what I become.